Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the problem with the screen wiper blade making switching noise when you are using it in the rain. So let's take a look. As you can hear, and even if I have water on, so you can hear it's making quite a lot of noise, and this is on a 100R code. Okay, so what happened with this blade is it get dry over time and it can get damaged very quickly with this kind of blade. So this one here, you can see it's kind of dry on the edge here. If you try to touch it and feel it, you can see it's dry on the edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to soften them up, and then we're just going to clean it, and hopefully that will fix the problem. If not, you can always remove this rubber here and replace it with a new rubber. But first we'll try to soften up the rubber and see if we can get it done for free. Okay, I'm just going to pour some hot water in here. This will soften up the rubbers. So I'm just going to pour some more along the line here. This will allow the rubber to be softened up. I'm just going to get a sponge and then give it a clean. So here, I'm just going to try to clean the blade. Be careful with the hot water because it's quite hot. So I'm just going to use some soap as well. That can help. So the idea is to get the blade so that it's soft on the rubber. So we want to clean it and make it not sharp anymore. So at the moment it's quite dry. So we want to remove that dryness and make it soft again. So continue to do this. This may take some time to clean off the roughness of the edge. So on the edge here is really rough. So the idea is to give it a good rub to make it nice and soft, and hopefully that will fix the problems. Now I find a sponge is not very good, so I'm going to try to use the sandpaper. This is the wet sandpaper. So just gently give it a clean. You don't want to do too hard, too much sanding down, so just gently so that you can basically get this part to be very soft. You can run your finger through and so you can feel it's now getting very soft. So the idea is to get rid of the roughness to make it nice and smooth again, not to wear it down. So make sure you do it evenly all the way around the edge like this to give it a nice and good smooth. Just every now and then give your finger a good run to see if the roughness is still there or not. If you get rid of the roughness, then that's good. So you can see, just do it gently and softly. Make sure you apply some water to the sandpaper, so that you want to make it nice and smooth. Now at some point this rubber is going to be worn out, so you will eventually need to replace it, but at the moment it's still really good. I only replaced this one around 1 or 2 years ago, so there's no reason for me to replace it again. So this is really expensive on a 100R cord, so I'm just going to try to sand it down to make the rubber smooth again. Okay, after some scrubbing, now it's looking really good. So I've been sanding down this side, on the edge, on the side like this, and on the side this way here as well. Now the idea is to do it gently and slowly so that you slowly wear down the roughness and make this one smooth again. Every now and then just run your finger through the rubber blade, and if you can feel it is nice and smooth, and you can see it's flexible and smooth, and when you run down the edge right here, you should feel it is nice and soft and smooth. Then you know it's ready to be installed back onto your windscreen. Give it a good wash before you put it back. So I think mine is ready now. So I don't even think you need to put hot water on it. Cold water is good enough, but by putting hot water in, you kind of like soften the rubbers. So I'm just going to give it a good clean before I'm going to put it back into the windscreen. Now this blade here, to replace it costs around $50. $50 is quite a lot just for replacing the old blade. So So you can try this one first. It doesn't really cost you anything. If you got the sandpaper around the house, that's all you really need. Remember to get a very fine grade paper sand. Is what I've got here. It's very fine, not very rough, and I can make it this nice and smooth. So this is the long one, then this is the short one here. So make sure they're both nice and smooth, and then we're ready to go. Okay, this is perfect. The rain is coming right down right now, so we can test it out. Now I have put back the blade already, so I'm just going to turn on the car and then we're going to test it out. So it's working perfectly fine, quite smooth. There's no more noise, no more switching noise right now. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it doesn't make any more noise now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really smooth now. That's much better. So now you can see it's no more noise, and it's perfect. The rain is coming down now, so I can test it out as well. So that's how you can clean it. Does it work 100%? Really good. I would say maybe around 80% to 90%, not 100%, but at least the noise is really good. It's no more noise now, so it's really good. Alright, thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.